Now I'd like to show you how to overlay a series of spectra in CcpN Analysis Metabolomics module. So I'm going through my file browser directly to Metabolites public study MTBLS 541, which I downloaded from the EMBL EBI website. And here we have a series of spectra that I've unzipped. They're in Bruker format. 28 spectra that I'm just going to drag the folders directly into the browser window, and you can see the spectra almost instantaneously appear here. I can select the series of spectra and drag them into the drop area, and this allows us to visualize all 28 spectra together. You can see on the top menu I have the ability to toggle these on and off independent of each other, and using the middle mouse button scroll option I can change the aspect ratio of the spectra so that I can visualize it more clearly. We can do a stacked plot by right-clicking anywhere in the spectrum view and selecting the stack spectra option. And now we can see each spectrum independently, and this offset value allows you to set the distance between items in your stack. And that is how you visualize a series of 1D spectra using CcpN Analysis Metabolomics.